Hello, my name is Sally and I'm from Natural Spa Supplies. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make your whites really dazzling white without chemicals. Now, lots of you out there that use soap nuts, excuse my noisy soap nuts, they're packed in compostable cornstarch packaging. And soap nuts are great at so many things because they save you money, they're great for the environment, they leave the clothes nice and fresh and clean, you're not breathing in horrible fumes from weird chemicals. They're great for so many things, but there is one tiny drawback, and they're not so good at creating the whites. But of course, nature does have a solution, and there is a traditional way to get your whites, when they're washed by plant detergents, beautifully dazzling white. So this is the solution. It's the true authentic indigo powder. It's made from a plant, but it's actually been processed in the age-old manner of being fermented on goat and camel urine. The goat and camel urine is used instead of chemicals, and it means that this powder is safe to use directly on the skin, and it's safe for use as a fabric whitener. So how do you make your own natural fabric whitener? Well, come over here and have a look. This is the smallest quantity we sell, 5 grams, and it is packed in cellophane. Larger quantities will pack in a glass jar. And this is what you get here, the 5 grams from that packet. And this will do machine load and machine load and machine load of white washing. Find yourself a watertight jar. This one I have tested, I put water in and shook it and nothing came out, so that's a good jar. So I'm just going to take a little bit out of here, just the tip of a teaspoon, and stick it in my jar. And top it up with warm water. This water's about 50 degrees. And give it a good mix. And even a shake to try and get all the powder distributed. So you'll see just from that tiny tip of a teaspoon, you're going to get probably at least 5 washing machine loads of whitewashing done, and they're going to look absolutely dazzling. You'll see when you come to use your natural fabric whitener again that the indigo will have settled to the bottom of the jar. So just make sure that lid's screwed on tight and give it a quick shake, and then you're ready to dispense more into the fabric conditioner compartment of your washing machine. So I hope even more of you will use soap nuts now, especially as you know the secret to getting your whites dazzling white. I really hope that you'll like our video, and do definitely share our video, because hardly anybody knows how to make your soap nut clothes naturally dazzling white. See you again next time. And look at these results. I hope you've got your sunglasses on. This sheet is so white.